Hi guys, today we're going to be making a sword. First what we're going to do is take a short stick and a big stick and put it together like this. And then we're going to be taking the short stick right here and using the hammer and making a little hole with the screw. A little bit, just screw it in with the drill. Now we're going to be putting the short stick on the big stick. And now it's going to look like this. And now we're going to fight. Bye guys, thanks for watching, bye!